What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Danny FYR, Find Your Reason. I'm Danny B, aka Stan, aka whatever the you wanna call me. Anyway, the first thing I want to say is I'm sorry about the lighting situation again, but I'm getting an external webcam coming tomorrow, so hopefully I'll be able to get better light somehow. I'll sort it out somewhere. Anyway, today the video is it's called Beetlejuice and Hank the drunken dwarf roast each other, and it's by a channel called Minecraft Streams, if you want to go over and subscribe to them. So basically it's a clip of the Howard Stern show, and like the title says, it's Beetlejuice and Hank the drunken dwarf roast each other. So this should be funny. So let's have a look at it. Pull that down. Let's go.
How you doing? How you doing, man?
Do I look like I'm okay to you? Do I look okay to you?
I'm sorry. He's yelling at me.
Why is he yelling at you? What did you do wrong?
No, I just...
Okay,
I said, hey, man, how you doing? He goes, do I look like I'm okay?
He's had a tough day here.
He had a tough day with Hank.
Hank has upset him very much.
I believe Beetlejuice would kill Hank in a fight.
Yeah, but in an intelligence way, would kill him.
No, it don't matter. When it comes to fists.
Yeah, when you're dead, you're dead.
He's not a children.
How are you, Beetlejuice? Good to see you.
I'm alright.
What happened at
It's
the
not good to see you, though.
I thought...
I know the picture quality is not too good on this, but it is what it is. So
you guys were friends. I thought you had made up.
Do I look like I'm friend of you?
No.
Do I look like I'm friend of you? Do I look like I'm friend of you? I don't like to be friend of you, dude. You think you so smart? You think you tough? You ain't that tough, boy. No,
go
I don't
Beetle.
think so.
I got arthritis.
Yeah, you better.
You even know
Because
what
I'll knock it out at you.
Beetle, I think you would beat him up in a fight. I think you would
Me,
win.
I'll knock him out in an hour.
I believe
boy.
so. I believe so.
But what is the bad
You know how
blood?
many minutes are in an hour?
How many?
I'm asking him, not...
Well, let's see if you know.
I know, but I'm not going to say unless he answers first.
Tell him, Beetle.
What?
How
What
many
are you
minutes?
talking about?
How many minutes are in an hour? Tell him.
Hours? I take like 150 hours, boy.
Right.
What do you got? You ain't got nothing.
How many minutes are in an hour, you dumb...
I can run like 180 hours.
Now, yeah,
What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
You already...
Beetle, Beetle,
if-
you
I
were
lift
gonna,
weights every
Beetle, you were
day,
gonna say
boy.
60, right?
I weigh 180 pounds. Boy.
All right, listen,
You don't
Beetle.
weigh
What do
180
you got?
pounds. Trust
Hey,
me.
Beetle, what
What is the
happened?
What do
bad
you
blood
got?
between
Why do
the
you
two
two
of them?
guys?
What do you got?
Why do you two guys hate each other so much?
He ain't got nothing, Howard.
Beetle,
He ain't got
He's
nothing.
jealous of Beetlejuice Hank.
He's jealous. He ain't got nothing.
Are you jealous?
Why am I
Because
jealous of
he is in
you?
the movies. Because he
So
is.
am I.
Jealous?
You're not in the movies like he is.
Yes, I am.
Are you jealous of Beetlejuice?
No.
Does he get more of your thunder? Do you think he's usurping your popularity?
No.
Who is more popular?
Cup of
I
tea.
am.
You
I
are.
know that for a fact.
I don't think so.
Two movies.
Two.
6.
You in 6?
And Don't Get on the Beach, few commercials, and Talk Soon.
He was in
Not
Son of the
soon.
Beach. He was in Son of the Beach.
No, he's probably a son of a bitch.
Oh,
I ain't no bitch.
right. What do you
Yeah.
say?
If you call me a bitch, you want to find out what a bitch is? Want to see me slap you like a bitch?
Hey, Beetle, you were in jail. I mean, you did hard time.
Get it.
I did hard
You
time.
should have stood there.
And you were tough.
I'm a greasy man, you know?
I
I don't think he's ever done hard time. It's just one of his stories, I think.
Well, I don't know what happened. I heard
I thought
that.
they had ended this
I
week.
thought you guys were friends.
We did actually.
I don't care about who he is. I don't care.
I don't care who you are either. You don't
You
mean
don't,
anything to
even
me.
know me, boy.
You don't mean anything to me.
You don't
You're
know
the
me.
boy,
You don't know
boy.
me, kid. You don't know me well. You don't know me well.
You don't know
Well, if
me
you got something to say it in my face right now, you punk.
Punk. Yeah, I haven't been
Yeah,
arrested
you're a
over 10
punk.
years.
You're a little fucking midget.
No.
Oh, wait. You say that.
Sorry about it.
Can't say that.
He's a midget. Look at him. Look at him. You're a midget.
And I've got to say as well that this is a point in time where you weren't allowed to swear on the Howard Stern show. If you know the Howard Stern show, you know that when they went on satellite, they could just say anything they wanted, but this was still terrestrial radio, so they couldn't swear nothing. And for any of you who don't know, that's Hank, the drunken dwarf. He's always drunk. He's always got a bottle of alcohol in his hand. So let's carry on. This.
You're a midget.
Who is talking?
I'm the tallest. Look at me. I weigh like 180 pounds. What do you got, boy?
You weigh 180 pounds.
I tell you, I'll murder you, boy.
Why are you calling each other?
I'll murder
midgets? So
you.
that isn't nice.
Why are you insulting each other for yourself?
No, he's
What
like,
do you guys
he's
do?
just ready to assault me. You know, if you assault me, I'm gonna
This
kick
guy's
you.
an airhead.
What
I
are
mean,
you saying?
You ain't insulting me, man.
He has a vacuum.
You don't know about
brain.
insulting. You don't know what insulting is, bro.
Why did
What? I don't know what insult is. Hey, can you name the capital of New York?
Yeah.
What's
What?
that got to do with
Right,
anything?
that, boy.
Yeah, all right. I already rest my case.
But
Yeah, you got it.
Hank, what difference does it make to you if Beetle can answer those questions or not?
He can't. He can't handle the truth. That's why.
Yeah. And who said that?
The country knows that.
Yeah, all right. I rest my case.
Who insulted who?
Why are you
first this
assaulting
morning?
him?
Howard, I think what happened was, I think,
You insulting me,
Why
man.
are you assaulting him?
Hey, Beetlejuice, who said the Gettysburg Address?
You don't even insult.
What's
don't
he on
even
about?
insult me, bro.
The Gettysburg
You
Address?
in the hallway.
Who wrote the Gettysburg Address?
I don't wear dresses. I
I don't wear dresses.
President of the United States.
Class.
You don't even know it.
Class
It's
scumbag.
part of the United States, bro.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
It's
you
the
don't
I
first
know what it
state.
is. I
What
know
I mean,
first
man,
state that we
Beetlejuice
into the
is too
country.
funny, man.
Oh, down in the country, you don't even know what country you in, buddy.
Do you know what country you're in?
I know what country I'm in. I'm in Jersey, bro.
Yeah. I didn't know that Jersey was a country.
Jersey's in New Jersey,
You're not even in the
brother.
right state,
New
you
York,
son.
New York is different, buddy. How does that sound,
Yeah, I
buddy?
don't think that's what you are.
He's right.
You know what
What
it
do you
is?
got?
There's New York and New Jersey.
I know what it is.
I know what state he's in, the state of confusion.
I heard what happened was that Beetlejuice. Tell me if this is true,
was a
Beetle.
moron.
No. Beetlejuice. What happened when you saw him? You threw a cake on Hank at a hotel room.
Yeah,
That's
he-
right.
You did.
I slept there, man. That's what he did.
No, he did. Yeah, you got some of your fucking. I'm sorry.
Whoa.
Yeah, you got some of your cronies with you. Or else
I saw them right in the face.
You're lucky you didn't get your ass kicked.
You couldn't beat me, dude. I'll beat you on one end, I'll still knock you out.
Yeah, right. Like,
Yeah, why come you slammed the door? How come you ran inside your own house? I'm about to ram you, boy.
I gotta tell you.
You are stupid as a dirt.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, who slammed the thing in your face?
I gotta tell you guys something. My phones are lit up with people who want to see the two of you fight on
Oh
pay-per-view.
my goodness.
That'd be class. It never happened, like, but it'd be class. Beetlejuice did go in the ring with someone, though, and he has had a boxing match. I'll have to see if I can find that on YouTube. We'll watch that as well.
On pay-per-view.
I'm not gonna do it. I got.
He's
Are you
scared.
afraid to
He's
fight
scared.
Beetlejuice?
He's
Yes,
scared.
I am.
You are afraid.
He's scared.
Physically, yes, I can.
He's
You
scared.
can't do it.
He's scared.
Afraid of Beetlejuice?
He's
Beetlejuice.
afraid of me. He's afraid of me.
He's
Well,
afraid
when
of
did the
me.
cake incident occur? Would somebody
He's
tell me
afraid.
I
that?
forgot what. I forgot what it was. Doug will probably know about that one.
You don't.
Donkey ain't got nothing to do with that.
hey, Howard,
You're afraid.
I think I know how this whole thing started.
How?
I think a long time ago, I think Hank insulted Beetlejuice's mother. Is that right? Is that what
No,
happened?
I never insulted his
I think
mother.
that's what the.
No, I have
You
never
insulted my
insulted
mother.
his mother.
You insulted my mother.
I did
you
not
said
insult
something
your
about my
mother.
mother.
Shut
I'll
up.
assault your ass a little bit. So I'm gonna tell you something you never had in your whole life, boy.
Don't you call me boy. I'm the one that's gonna call you boy, you cunt.
Hey, I'm a real man. I'm not a boy. I'm a real man. I'm a red man, alright? I
Yeah,
do
why don't
better
we
than
get a
you got
DNA
a
test on
can
you? You might be a woman.
I'm not a woman. I'm a man.
Yeah, I think you are a woman.
I'm a real man. What you got?
But I think Hank's jealous because Beetlejuice was on the panel today, and he doesn't think that Beetlejuice deserves it because he's smarter.
He was good on the panel.
I heard it. He was an idiot.
I I'm not an idiot. At least I'm smarter.
Yeah. What's your IQ? I think when the last time you took an IQ test, Beetlejuice, the last time you took an IQ test, you were so dumb that you owed points.
I know my own parts. My
I
private
didn't
parts
say
is
parts, I
better.
said points.
Yeah.
Hey, if I had a girl right here right now, if I had a girl right here right now, I'll make sure you give me a blowjob.
Yeah, I
Okay,
give him $1 million.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Don't say that word. All right, listen.
Why didn't say it?
You guys, you know, it's unbelievable that you can't get
He's
along.
close.
I'm so
Well, there's a
sorry.
lot of jealousy here. I can see it.
Yeah, but
Steven.
I got a lot of visit to
I'm
visit.
jealous.
Steven, you're on the air.
Yeah, I think you got a good double matchup here. You got Hank versus Beetlejuice, and then a follow-up starting bout of AJ versus John.
Yeah, I tell you, it would be very good.
Getting quite a
Either that,
call.
or you want to make it even more interesting?
Yeah.
Let them choose up sides. Either do a tag team, or one if you get the little guys on top of their shoulders.
Yeah, maybe like a chicken fight. Yeah, Jack, you're on the
No,
air.
not that.
Hey, Howard, you got to put that hallway fight, man. You got to put that up on your website tonight.
Yeah, okay.
He's like AJ
I
Beetle.
agree with you.
He's like AJ Beetle, man, fights the drunk.
All right,
What the hell does AJ have to do with it?
All right, anyway, listen, Hank and Beetle, let's cool down.
Let's live and let live.
Let's live and let live. You guys both have big careers going. You're much too important to be fighting.
I think Hank resents being an understudy to Beetlejuice, but
Beetlejuice is on
I
the
am not an
verge.
understudy. I'm on top of him.
Beetlejuice,
I'm never phrased that.
Beetlejuice is
I don't
becoming
think
Beetlejuice is becoming one of the biggest stars in this country.
he's
It
an
won't last.
attraction.
You don't think it'll last?
No.
Yeah, you want to see about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, in about 5 years from now.
I can do more than 5 years, buddy.
Yeah.
I do more than one.
Sorry, I am closed the
I
window
don't like
again.
I
I
didn't
make
say
money.
right now. In 5 years.
5 years. I can make more than 5 years. I can make like 20 years.
Well,
That's
I
simple.
believe Beetlejuice has staying power. I do.
I don't think so.
I hope
got
that's
legs.
right.
He's got legs.
I got legs. I got heavy legs.
Right.
So does ZZ Top.
All
You
right.
know, Howard, it's funny. Beetlejuice's limo driver just left me a voicemail, and he said that no matter where he goes, if somebody brings up Hank's name, he just explodes.
Really?
It just makes him crazy.
Tell him to go to hell. And I'd rather say stronger language.
I don't
than
think so,
that.
pal. I don't think you can handle it.
Hank, do you have a limo like Beetlejuice does?
I don't think so.
Not today, no. No, but
You
it's
see,
not.
he
No,
does that
no, hey,
regularly.
it's not like I've never been in a limo before.
But Beetle has his own limo.
Beetle has people.
You probably stole it.
No, I don't steal.
Yeah, you did.
Well, that's my family, but you know, I get laid anytime in the car. I don't know about you, buddy. I don't think you can
Yeah,
handle
when you
it.
get laid, you get laid by laying down on the.
Hey, I got women's in the car. How many cars you got?
That's class. Hey, I got women's in the car. How many cars you got? This is class's argument. I could sit and watch it all day.
It's
See,
not.
he
No,
does that
no, hey,
regularly.
it's not like I've never been in a limo before.
But Beetle has his own limo.
Beetle has people.
You probably stole it.
No, I don't steal.
Yeah, you did.
Well, that's my family, but you know, I get laid anytime in the car. I don't know about you, buddy. I don't think you can
Yeah,
handle
when
it.
you get laid by laying down on the.
Hey, I got women's in the car. How many cars you got? I got 150 women's in the car. I got, buddy.
Look, you can't even count to one.
Oh, baby.
I get laid, brother.
Beetle, man. Beetle pimp.
You are
I get laid all the way, brother.
Yeah.
Beetle
Hank's
big
limo is a
pimp.
Greyhound bus.
It's a Greyhound bus.
With Gary's mom, yeah.
Anyway,
That's it. He says he gets laid. He doesn't have to count. There you
all right,
go.
let me give a plug.
Well, he doesn't have to count because he can't.
I don't have to.
Yeah, I know. You don't.
I count more than you would never have.
Well, let me give a plug to the guys. First of
Beetlejuice
all,
told me he's written a book.
I
Beetle,
think
I don't even know you know how to write.
Beetle, how's the book going, by the way?
my book is going pretty good.
Yeah.
How many pages you got? One paragraph?
What's the book called?
What a book calls?
Yeah.
Sapinated.
What?
Excuse me?
Sapinated.
How do you spell it?
I'll spell it. Lerts. Bye, motherfucker. I'm sorry about that.
What does it mean?
Huh?
What does sapinating mean?
Don't even
Mother
disturb me.
bugger.
That's what it
What does it
says.
mean?
It's
That
just
means don't even
biography.
disturb me.
It's
That's
just
what it
biography. It means I'm stupid.
That means don't even disturb. All right, buddy?
Yeah.
So wait,
Hey,
when
Beetlejuice, how do you spell the word?
Hey, Beetlejuice, when is the book coming out?
Coming out Wednesday.
What?
Wednesday?
Yeah, what days does that fall between?
100. What? The
What days is
25th
that?
and 23rd, buddy.
They're just pure characters on this show, man. They crack me up, honestly. Absolutely funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sing.
Shame. Hey, so Beetle, the book is about what? Your life?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
I didn't know you even had one.
Do you
Well,
give
then
You
you
advice?
should
never been in
read
my
the
life,
book.
boy, so you don't even know my life.
Do you
boy.
give advice to other little people?
Yeah, a lot of little people.
Yeah, don't listen to Beetlejuice.
Man.
You know, you wasn't there, boy.
Yeah, you've ever been to a little pisser convention?
I love
Yeah,
what?
you've
Pizza?
never been to convention.
Yes, I have.
Never been there.
Oh, sorry.
Never been there.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm at the after Billy party and I have a picture taken with him.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. I don't think so.
Tell me.
Hey, you don't know a picture of Billy
I
Bunny,
don't
do you?
think so.
Yeah, Doug actually has a copy of it.
Hank, you wrote
Yeah, right.
You wrote a leaflet, didn't you? Tell him about it.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Yeah, but you don't think at all.
I don't think so.
Beetle,
Yeah.
Hank, you guys are both big stars in your own right. You guys got it all going
I don't
on.
know why. You're like Betty Davis and Joan Crawford.
Mike Beetle's limo driver is on
Crazy.
the phone. Mike, you drive Beetle?
Yeah, all the time. Yep.
My
Yeah,
younger
you had
brother.
sex with him?
Tell him, bro. Who's the youngest brother in here? You or me?
Well, and Beetle
Well, that made a
has
lot of sense.
and Beetle has his own limo.
Had that question. Tell him who's the youngest brother in here, you or me. Like, that question's just absolutely irrelevant to anything. That's what I mean. Just the way his brain works, I just find him funny.
You're like Betty Davis and Joan Crawford.
Mike Beetle's limo driver is on the phone. Mike, you drive Beetle?
Yeah, all the time. Yep.
My
Yeah,
younger
you had
brother.
sex with him?
Tell him, bro. Who's the youngest brother in here? You or me?
What's that?
Well, and Beetle
Well, that
has
made a lot of
and
sense.
Beetle has his own limo.
Beetle has his own limo.
Yeah, right. Where did he steal it from?
No, thanks, man.
Shut up. I don't want to talk to you. You're a moron.
10 times bigger than you, man.
Yeah, right.
Everywhere, forget about it. It's not even cool.
Yeah, you're a moron. You're an idiot. You're a jackass. You suck. All right.
Is the limo scaled
Why don't you
down?
go to church and have sex with the Pope?
Is the limo scaled
What's
down
that
to
meant to
size?
mean?
Yeah. Big size.
All
Idiot.
right, good for
Beetle's
you.
entourage. With Beetle's entourage. What, are you kidding me?
Right.
Beatles entourage, yeah. A bunch of homos.
You're not followed by a bunch of homos, are you?
Yeah, yeah,
Beetle.
yes.
Beetle gets more pussy than anybody, man.
Beetle gets
Yeah.
all the girls.
Straight up.
Yeah, but you don't count. You don't count. You fucking.
Oh, God.
Oh,
You throw up the ass.
Oh,
You don't.
oh yeah,
so
that's
you don't.
acceptable.
You don't count. All right.
Yo, brother,
Have
could you
a-
just tell him what I did last night in the level
Dumb
last
little-
night?
I got it.
What did he do in the limo last night?
He had sex with his
Let
driver,
the driver talk.
and it was a guy.
What did Beetle do in the limo last night?
Well, last night we didn't go out, but we were in Atlantic City the whole night, Saturday night. Friday night was New York. It's non-stop. Beetle
Party.
gets whatever he wants.
And Beetle
Carte
just
blanche,
parties
any
with
club.
all the girls?
The
Let me
Beetle,
tell you, any club we go to is carte blanche. Anything we want. Anything. It's non-stop.
You can't say that, Hank.
can't fall.
Hank can't even tie his shoes, man.
I wouldn't want it.
No, Hank,
You know what?
I wouldn't do this.
All right, listen, Mike, thank you
Hank
very much.
wasn't as big as Beetle on this show. like.
You don't even have the.
Beetle's
I
strong.
think Beetle is an
Beetle is
idiotic
strong.
jerk with the brains of a retarded cohort.
I'll see you guys later.
Thank you, Mike.
Why'd you go to church and have sex with the Pope?
What's
All
that
right, Beetle.
meant to
Anyway, I
mean?
gotta
Said
take a
it
break. I'm gonna
again.
let you guys go because it's crazy. Let me plug Beetlejuice first. JollyDwarf.com. Beetlejuice is a movie, Bumbleboy,
This time.
and the book will be coming out on Wednesday.
Yeah, it's called Selling Topic UB.
Right.
Right.
Selling Topic UB?
That's right.
Okay, that's the name of the book.
Dashy Doobie.
Daffy Duffy.
What is Selling Topic UB? Again?
It's a shopping movie.
Okay.
It's a soppy
And Hank
booby.
is at
I'll go out
HankTheDwarf.com.
to the Hamptons tonight.
See, Hank,
Oh, you gonna go there? I don't think the girls ain't gonna watch you. I don't think so.
Well, I mean, I told me you were going, so that's why I know that I gotta be there.
I don't have to go. I already know. I can get a date I want there, buddy.
Yeah, Beat, shippity dippity. Beat, you're a real good guy. We should go out for some hopping on us later.
Yeah, let's go on the Papa.
Yeah, Papa D.
Yeah, Ratsis. Rat Pits.
Yeah, me and you and Slappy Dumpy.
Scooby Doo.
All right,
Where
anyway.
are you, kid?
Yeah, let's call the Black Dwarfs.
Oh my God.
Don't you get racist in front of Shippy Dippity.
Hey, right.
No. I'll let Robin live.
Yeah.
Well, Robin's not a dwarf.
She is. She's a real nice
He's a
woman.
bear Chappy Down.
Beetlejuice, we can kill. We don't need him.
Beetle, any chance of Sabi Doobie made it into a movie?
He can't even see it.
Sabi
Sabi
Doobie.
Doobie be made into a movie?
It could be not, it could be.
Yeah.
Are you trying
It's a
to
child
tell us real
fiction. You
hot?
can't see.
Oh my
It's a
God.
trilogy. It's Choppy Doody and Jimmy Nani and Dabba Doodie's a big one.
Hey, sit down, doodle.
Hey, hey there, Beetlejuice. When you do a movie, what does it take like you? Like
It takes me
500,
like 30 seconds.
500 takes to do a line?
A line, it takes me 250
I
lines
wasn't
in one
talking
time.
about Coke.
All right, you guys
I'll
are
do
both,
that.
you guys are both great stars in your own right.
I don't see why you can't get along.
I wish you could get along, but I can see you can't. I got
I
it.
can't do it.
You can't do it, so
Because it makes
forget.
me angry.
Well, stay away from each other. That's the best thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Beetle, thank
I'm
you.
serious.
Hey, B, tell everybody where Chandra's at.
Sandra's on the lake, dude.
What's the name of the lake?
Down she,
Lake down inside.
Sandra's up my ass.
Lake Dobinsaw?
Yeah.
Thought so.
All right, feds, go get her.
Yeah, she loves me while I'm at the bar. She loves it.
You ever-
Chandra loves it.
Yeah.
Well, she doesn't love you. She loves me.
She loves me,
She's
but
on my ass.
yeah, you don't have an ass.
How do you know? Homo.
Nobody don't want it. They call you stink boy. The feature steak, they run from you. How's that?
Hey, if Cammy's listening, start thinking up Lake Subida.
Scooby garbage. Oh my God, it feature steaks. It kills the flesh.
Yeah, they might find the real deal puke.
Yeah, that's pretty cool when somebody they just throw up.
All right, why don't we take a break? This is crazy. Man. You guys are wild. Wow. I love it, though.
You're a real sloppy doody now.
Yeah. I look forward to reading your book, Beetle. Suba Do, isn't it?
Every word.
Sabi
Yeah,
Doobie.
too bad he doesn't know how to write.
I don't think he ever brought a book out like Beetlejuice. I mean, I might be wrong. I'm going to have to Google that. Actually, he might have, but Sabi Doobie or something. That's a strange title.
I did.
Oh, stop that. This guy's a big star.
He's
I know how to
got
write
three
things. I
records.
think and write at the same time.
You couldn't even spell red.
I sure
Let me see
hope.
you can spell red. Let me see you can spell it.
I already did.
I don't see you spell it. That was the wrong one. You gotta spell A-E-R. Spell that, buddy.
All
Oh,
right.
you
I really
told
hope
me
you come out.
AAR.
All right, why don't we take a break, Robin, and we'll do a little news for everybody.
And I can't spell psycho.
All right, we're going to be back right after these words.
So, Beef, do you feel it's over now? Is everything's done?
He ain't got nothing. He ain't got nothing.
He got nothing on you, right?
Nah. I think so right at the same time.
Let me
What
see
you got?
what you do to him. Show me a little fist action.
I ain't got
Give me a
time
little
for that.
boxing. Give me a
I
little.
don't have no time for it.
No time?
Nah.
All right. But so you feel it's over, and you guys will never be friends.
Me?
Right. Oh, I'm sorry if this video was a bit dark, you know. Like I say, I'm getting a new webcam tomorrow, so hopefully things will be better. I hope you enjoyed that video. Beetlejuice, he's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Let me know in the comments, comment what you think of him, Beetlejuice, or Howard Stern, or anyone on the Howard Stern show. Tell me what you like, or what you'd like to see me react to, you know. So, yeah, but I thought that video was funny. They were just non-stop, backwards and forwards at each other. Couldn't get a word in anyone else. So, yeah, there's lots of clips like that out there, so I'll be doing more on Beetlejuice, because like I say, he is one of my favourites at the minute. And again, I am so sorry for the lighting, because this video is going to look dark as But there's nothing I can do about it now, so I do apologise. I am out for this video. Subscribe, like. I'm Danny B, aka Stan, aka whatever the you wanna call me. And until next time, peace.